Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily manage the Google Assistant settings on your Sharp 50 TV. So let's start off by going to settings. Now here we need to scroll down a bit to privacy, and here we have the Google Assistants. Now here we can disable or enable voice control, we can view permissions, we can also enable personal results and searchable apps, and here we can also enable safe search filter. It's very useful if you don't want to see any stuff that's inappropriate, so I recommend turning it on. And this is how you guys can easily manage those Google Assistant settings right here. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.